You start with your family. You be an imam in your household, a guide in your household. وَجَعْلَنَا الْمُتَّقِينَ إِمَامًا. Make us amongst the pious ones an imam. Shaykh Ubaid Hafidullah said, in your household. That's where you start. That is our politics. We start in a house. My siyasa is my children and my family. قُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَهْلِكُمْ نَارًا. This is where it begins. Save yourselves and your family as fuel as men and stone. And you build in your neighbors, your community. You give da'wah to Tawheed and Sunnah. You occupy the people with that, with the other type of politics, with the people just seeking the kursi, yani the position. And then what? Shaykh Al-Bani rahimahullah said a beautiful statement. ترجو النجاة ولم تسلك مسالكها. You want success, but you don't tread its path. إن السفينة لا تجري على اليبس. The ship cannot sail through dry land. The ship needs a foundation. Tawheed, Sunnah, Aqidah, Ibadah. Foundation. Then the ship will sail. But many people are hasty. من استعجل شيئا قبل أوانه عوقب بحرمانه. Whoever hastens something before its time will be met without reaching his goal. That is the reality. They tried it in Algeria, and yeah, we won peace in the 90s, on the early 2000s. Yes, we won political, yeah, we won. What did Shaykh Al-Bani say? It's just like fireworks. You know, firework, how long does it stay up in the sky? With a beautiful glittering light. How long does it stay? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds? Fireworks. Islam will not come like that. Islam will come by manhaj al-nabuwah, by the prophetic manhaj that we've mentioned today, and the scholars have mentioned of Ahl-Sunnah. Islam will only come by that way. It is the long way, but in reality it's the shortest way. وَأَنَّ هَذَا صِرَاطً مُسْتَقِيمًا فَاتَّبِعُوهُ وَلَا تَتَّبِعُوا السُّبُلَ فَتَفَرَّقَ بِكُمْ عَنْ سَبِيلِهِ ذَلِكُمْ وَصَّاكُمْ بِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. That is what Allah advises with. As for this individual, then I've heard statements from him directly, I've heard statements from him on the internet and what he says. And he has to first learn the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before speaking about it. If he is proficient in the Bible, then stick to that. Don't talk about the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala without knowledge. وَأَن تَقُولُ اللَّهِ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. That you speak about Allah while you do not know. And from his statements, he said 1,000 things Allah can't do. A'udhu billah. That's not befitting. That's not good manners with Allah. Wallahu ala kulli shayin qadir. Allah is able to do all things befitting His majesty. If you read the Aqidah books, the books of the ulama, you would see that addition, befitting His majesty. But of course, if you're not aware with it, then obviously you haven't seen it or you haven't read it, then don't speak about it then. 1,000 things. Don't speak about Allah in such an abhorrent way. And you say, oh, and then he gives examples. Don't speak about Allah. Learn your deen. Learn your deen. And this individual has got other errors, other mistakes, and he speaks against the ulama. He's not somebody to take knowledge from, nor somebody to even listen to. And the ulama of the past, they wouldn't lend an ear to these type of people, even if they claim that which they are not. And even if they claim the truth, that they are upon the truth, they wouldn't listen to them. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us and aid us and forgive us our shortcomings.